Stellantis is committed to transforming the automotive experience. That's why we're all in on ServiceNow.
What does it mean to go all in?
It means we've transformed and digitized processes across the world at Stellantis.
So we're talking 14 iconic brands, hundreds of thousands of employees, 130 countries, manufacturing, supply, dealerships, customers, everything.
Exactly.
All the success of the company starts with the employee and their experience. Streamlining processes, structuring the workflows through one portal.
Around the world, every employee on one portal?
Yes, it's about empowering users to do higher value tasks.
Instead of looking at 100 pages of documents, I have my answer in 2 seconds.
So this is all in.
This is all in. Because we have one platform, we can put AI solutions in place very quickly.
How quickly?
Once you introduce a product which is AI-enabled, activating the benefit of AI is like snapping the finger.
Oh.
And when we do that, we get data across the enterprise.
One data model, all in one.
When you let AI examine your data, when you let data flow into your models, you will discover ways of operating the business that you would not have imagined.
We have generative AI at a platform level because we want to encourage the global and widespread adoption of AI.
Wow. And 48,000 employees signed on in one day?
Yes, the measurement of success is adoption. We are enabling every single employee.
And they're all in too.
They are faster.
They are more efficient,
More satisfied.
more innovative.
They are happier.
Happy is good.
Oui.
With ServiceNow AI, we see it as a transformative partnership. It's a game changer. We're on the cusp of redefining how technology operates at Stellantis.
Having this powerful platform, when you go all in, the impact is undeniable.
When all in works, the world works.